Hi friends, I'm Sanjaya Muthukuda from Smart Magazine. Today's Photoshop lesson, we are going to learn how to make a portrait photo to pencil sketch with Photoshop like this. So let's start. Go to File menu and open the image. In the Adjustment panel click Create New Hue, Saturation Adjustment Layer and reduce the saturation amount to -100. Now select the background layer, go to Menu Bar and click Layer, New, Layer via Copy. Now you can see background layer copy. Now go to Image, Adjustments, Invert. Now select Layer Mode to Color Dodge. Select Background Copy Layer, click this arrow and select Convert to Smart Object. After that go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Now adjust the radius as you prefer. In the Adjustments panel click Levels and after that select the Layer mode to multiply. Change the opacity as you prefer. Now merge the layers and save the file. That's all.
Finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon on the side to get the smart notifications as soon as we added a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.